YouTube, this is Mary Skin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, I have pearls on my head. Tapos pearls everywhere. Pearls everywhere. And hindi guys, I decided to create this look because I am doing a series. So I am going to do every month looks like this. I mean, gagawin ko siyang series yung Birthstone, and gagawin ko siyang inspiration for my makeup look. So now is June, kaya ang Birthstone ng June ay pearl. So I decided to create a look that is pearl inspired, and yeah, so if you want to know how I came up with this look, then without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, yung kilay ko ngayon hindi siya malinis kasi hindi ko pa siya pina-threading. Gusto ko kasi tumubo muna at kumapal-kapal yung kilay ko. So yeah, hopefully tumubo na siya ng marami, no? Nang malinis ko na. Good job, nag-cooperate yung kilay. Good job. Okay, so after the kilay, let's proceed with our eye look. Sa ating eyeshadow. So, we will just make it simple since yung theme natin is pearl-inspired makeup look. So, syempre, white and yeah, we'll just make it work. We'll try to make it work. I'm shocked. By the way, yung ginagamit ko palang palette is my Beauty Glaze palette. The Impress Cute palette. Okay. Masaya ako dyan sa color ng eyeshadow ko. So, let's proceed. Okay. So, I'm back with my falsies and my eyeliner. Ngayon, magpa-foundation na tayo. Okay, so after contour, of course, blush. Okay, so here is the fun part of the video. I have here some stickers that I will be putting on my face. So excited ako to do this. So yeah. Kasi nga, iba yung gagawin ko. Pearl-inspired makeup look. So, hindi lang tayo maglalagay ng makeup, but we will have to extend our creativity. So, yeah. At nubayan sana ako ng makeupan. So, mag-lipstick lang ako, tapos i-finish ko lang yung look. I'll be back. So, this is the final look. Nagustuhan ko siya, actually. Hindi ko inaasahan na ito yung magiging outcome ng makeup ko and magiging outcome ng creativity ko. I hope it's creative for you guys. But for me, as a person, and syempre hindi naman ako makeup artist, I'm not also into, I'm into arts, but hindi talaga ako yung tipo ng tao na nasasabi yung magaling mag-drawing, magaling mag-painting. Yes, I can paint, I can draw, but hindi talaga yung super talented na kagaya ng ibang artist. But yeah, anyways, I think I think the look is really very pretty. Nagustuhan ko siya actually. Talagang binuhat ko yung sarili ko bangko, no? But anyways, yeah. And guys, I hope you like this one, and sana naging happy kayo sa ginawa ko. And hopefully next month ibang birthstone na naman yung gagawan ko ng look. So sana ma-follow niyo yung series na gagawin ko. And yeah, I hope you like it, and if you like it, then click like, comment down below kung anong gusto niyo i-comment. At what else? If you would want to share the love, then spread the video, share the video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I think that's it. I hope you like it. Ciao!